why did the GT500 lose?
The Mustang arrived on tires that were well cooked, and the Camaro is too good to be given that kind of a tire advantage.
Okay, so if the GT500 arrived on fresh Cup 2s, would it win?
Oh yeah, I mean it's 10 miles an hour faster on every long straight.
Okay.
What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. Well. Let's talk about this Throttle House video that came out that's going all over the place, where we see, sadly, the 500 is losing to a Camaro Z01 1LE by one of the most famous drivers that we all know and love, Randy Post. Unfortunately, I'm getting tagged personally, and by all my Camaro friends, people are leaving, they're in their stories, they're sending me DMs and all that kind of good stuff.
All right, this is for Stang Mode and all you other butthurt Mustang guys. Listen to what he says. I thought you guys were bitching about the tires. I thought you said, oh, if the GT500 has better tires. Listen to what this man says.
That carbon package with the carbon fiber
tires were as fresh as possible. So here are the tires.
Did you dumb mother hear that shit? All the tires as fresh as possible. Chevy for the fucking win. You guys had 6 years to make that piece of shit.
The Camaro base is pumping their chest and very proud of the fact that they have a better lap time than a GT500. And as you saw in that clip before, that they're pumping their chest out, calling the Mustang a piece of crap, and it's 6 years and all that kind of good stuff. Well, just slow your roll for a second. Let's talk about why that's fake news, for lack of a better term. Number one, if you watch the conclusion of the Throttle House video, the driver himself, Randy Post, clearly explains that the tires were cooked on arrival for the GT500. So it's already at a disadvantage when it's being raced by Randy Post. Also, he says very clearly and audibly, and I'll play the clip after I'm done, is the GT500 was 10 miles an hour faster to the straights than the Camaro Z01, so it would definitely have beat it. But unfortunately, the tires were just not sufficient to really show the potential of the GT500. Unfortunately, your win comes with a very huge asterisk that the GT500 wasn't on the proper tires. These media cars are really put to their paces, and I'm sure if Ford knew that Randy Post was driving it, they would have had a fresh set of tires for them to run. Also, we're seeing the video where the Z01 is winning or beating the GT500 on a drag race is going on through Instagram. Again, tires matter. You need proper rubber to put down to the ground to put the power down. That's why I didn't really get all crazy excited about the Edmunds video, if you recall, where the 500 was beating the Z01 and Hellcat on the quarter mile. That was an unprepped surface. That was not on a drag strip. So those tires are spinning and those things are happening. You have to really look at these things with the proper lens. So yes, do I want to always stand up for Mustang? Sure, but when we lose, we lose. That's fine. But I'm not going to take this L, because it doesn't make sense to take the L when the tires weren't sufficient. So a lot of Camaro people are saying facts are facts and no excuses. We're not making excuses. The guy who drove the car himself, Randy Post, clearly said the tires were cooked on the 500. The 500 was faster through the straights. 3 of the 4 guys there would have chose the 500. Like, we would like to see the GT500, and we have our own. I mean, I love the car so much, we bought one. We put our money where our mouth is. We got one. And I would love to see that car driven at the Nürburgring and see what it does with a good set of tires. We have yet to see that. And then we can talk about bragging rights. But for now, I think it's premature. Also, this video is brought to you by, we're a little bit late in the video for a plug, but it's brought to you by the GT500giveaway.com, which we're running. Check out this awesome little minute clip of our new promo video. Hope you enjoy it. We're here at Custom Coatings. Behind us is the Hulk. Joe said he has a new surprise, a little subtle change, because if you remember from the videos a few ways back, sadly our stripes were not aligned properly on the Shelp GT500, so we fixed that. Did a subtle change. That looks fire. That looks so much better. What? I love it.
So I did a little different. I did film over the stripes, so they look brand new.
Got you. Yeah, talk about what you did, bro, with the stripes and everything, what happened.
Yeah, basically we did a full front with partial fenders.
Okay.
So I figured you got to take a road trip. We
Yep.
got a day and a half, so get the full front end protected, and then once you're done the road trip, we can get more of the car done. But
Exactly.
left the factory stripes on the car. So what we do is basically we take and just trim like 1 millimeter on the inside and the outside, so you don't get a water gap in
Wow,
there.
the stripes look great, bro.
Yeah, so everything's rolled, all the corners are rolled, so it's basically fully protected. So the fenders I just did fully rolled corner, and then we just did it to here. That's really the impact.
Perfect,
area.
yeah.
So same thing, hand cut everything and tried to roll it all in and get as much as we could, and the GT500 inlet came out pretty good.
That came out fire, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, yeah, because we're gonna go racing finally this weekend. We gotta drive a good amount of ways, and she's gonna be behind trucks. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, she needs protection.
yeah. Thank you so much for the stripes. Now, if you guys notice the bottoms, you cut them and redid them.
Yeah, weird sizing. but
Yeah.
They're like 7 1/8 inch wide, and it's like 1 1/4 inch gap. So.
Dude, the stripes look so much better. We're not the only ones. Some guy had white stripes on his red one, and he just took them off. They were so messed up.
Yeah.
So he went to black.
The thing is like when you have a car like this, they put a pre-cut kit on, so they'll never be perfect because of curves
Gotcha.
and the way the lips shape. So they'll always angle a little bit in or a little bit out. The only way to really do it is to do like knifeless tape. And
Gotcha.
use a laser, which we did use. But,
Oh, wow. Cool.
Because in some areas the stripe might be 7 1/4 versus 7 1/2 because
Yeah.
it takes the body line. As you can see, the roof, it kind of curves in because the roof curves like that.
Yeah.
It's, it's a production car. They
Dude,
gotta get it
yeah,
out.
they got to get it out. Yeah. That's why you go to places like Custom Coatings.
That's why, we do pre-cut stripe kits, whatever. Between
Yeah.
$500, and then it's like the custom ones, which, are symmetrical, are closer to like 7 or 8.
Dude, this looks great. I'm really, really thankful. I love this subtle touch here.
Yeah, that color match.
That color match is flawless.
It's not next to anything. Like it's pretty damn near spot
Dude.
on. I was pretty
That
surprised.
looks so good. Like, I can't tell you. Like, perfect, dude.
Where you going racing?
We're gonna head over to a private drag strip.
Oh, you bougie now.
Only reason is because the reason doing a private drag strip is because we wanted to keep the results secret till we release the video. So I'm doing with like a bunch of other YouTubers.
Okay.
So that's what we'll release. It's weird, but it's one of them things. But I'm driving a good 10 hours each way. Just leaving tomorrow, and I'm leaving. I'll be back Monday. So
That's a hike.
it's gonna be a hike. Yep. But I mean, we're protected, so
Yeah, that was step one.
that's the whole point. This looks.
I mean, even the stripes had a couple rock kits.
Dude, the stripes look great. And I was just 1,000 miles.
I got a good before picture of the stripe, and you can show that like.
Yeah.
I didn't touch the stripe. We just put film does wonders for scratches.
Dude, it looks great. It's like we just laminated the car and make it like,
That's a good word.
it looks great, dude. Thank you so much.
Yeah, a little bit of protection,
Comment below what you guys think about the little subtle GT500 change in the front grille. I think it looks great. But flawless. What is that?
Tow hook cover.
Tow hook? All right.
Honestly, I think if you got a tow hook and then we painted it green.
Dude, I was thinking. Actually, you know what? I think there's a tow hook in the trunk. We could do that later. Yeah, I think there's one actually. If I recall. Yeah, I believe it's right here. So, when the time is right.
I know if I hold
Take
it,
it, take it.
No, if I hold and paint it, you're gonna break down. That's how.
Oh yeah.
Leave that in here just so you
Yeah.
don't have any breakdown.
Gotcha. That's the tow hook. Yep.
That's the car.
Yeah, we don't want to do that yet. We'll keep it in here. But that would be fire.
Yeah.
Like once we bring it.
What's behind it? Like normally when you pull a tow hook cover, you need to see like styrofoam. Or
Yeah.
Grease. It's pretty clean behind it. It's just some gloss black stuff. I mean, it'll look nice. I'm sure people are gonna come out. I'm sure a regular GT tow hook cover will fit. It's probably the same thing.
Yeah.
If you kind of cool.
Well, I usually I thought they were like down the grill here, but to have them up here was kind of cool. It's cool to see that. And it would look kind of
350Rs like that or not?
yeah. It would be cool to like eventually have a green tow hook, just kind of
Yeah, that'd be
like a little earring,
sick. Official track.
little earring action. Yes. That looks great, bro. Thank you so much. Dude, this looks fire. Choo. All right, here she is. Or here he is. Hulk. Yes, that bulb's getting fixed. So. I saw that and I didn't say anything about that. That looks so. That looks so much better. Jeez, look at this shot. That looks so much better, dude.
It's so hard to get this color outside.
Yeah, it is. Let me get out your way. What's up, y'all? We here with my barber, Dave
Going on, everybody?
Cruz.
YouTube.
I told him I was like, you gotta check out the we're calling and take a little drive in it.
This thing dope.
So he's a Mopar guy, but you know, he still respects everything.
One day.
You know, I told him you gotta get me set up for racing demonology and Mod to Fame. So, but we said we saw Omi. You know, he moved camp. I don't know if he's just straight up Mustang or.
Oh no.
But I'll show you what this thing does. Paddles here, you know, these are the paddles. So like, it's so smooth. You see how smooth it is, and then we hit the brakes. See how smooth that is, dude? I mean, wasn't that smooth?
That shit was smooth.
I mean, you moving, but you're not like scared. You're
Yeah.
confident.
It's literally like, damn, I'm moving, but it's just like.
You're so confident, yeah. So like, you know, someone rolls up, you see how I did with the paddles?
Yeah.
I'm like, I want to do a roll race, right? I just hold the paddle down, it puts me in the right gear. That's it.
That's crazy.
See how confident that is?
And that traction on the tires.
Yeah, the tires are great.
Oh,
Dude.
Oh no.
I'm telling you, bro.
I might leave that red eye there.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, this car is too fun, dude. And I was just like, and this is, you can dart around and do anything. It's crazy, bro.
Bro, we just took that corner.
Like it was nothing. I know. Like it was like, yo, whoop. Dude, I tell people, like, you don't know unless you get to experience the capabilities just going around. Like, it's just bananas, bro. We did 2 turns. How fun was that, dude?
They ain't even feel like
That
we
didn't
turned.
feel like we turned. We just like, woo. Dude, I'm telling you. And that's why I got those tires too, because you know I wanted to. And you could do it yourself too. You could shift it to yourself. So, you know, look how quick that is. You just do it yourself.
Yeah, it's already there.
Yeah, you just do it yourself. I got listen. That was just a quick ride. I know Dave's working. He has people coming. He has
Yeah, I know. I
appointments.
gotta get back to the shop.
I'm gonna get him back quickly. That's why we did this. We did this ride.
Listen, we got an AC trip coming soon.
That's
Might wanna
true.
Hang out. Let us know.
We're gonna have to do this.
This car's so brand new. He still got the pull.
We still, dude. You know, I still got the tape on it, like the fresh new era.
Yeah.
You gotta keep the stickers on. I'm gonna keep it on for a little bit. It feels more fresh that way. They're like, why you keep the stickers off? I'm like, nah, that's the way I like it, dude.
Watch us get back to the shop in like 2 minutes.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's like
Your ass.
you play with it's a toy. It's a toy, bro. Turning, and we got room back there.
Them seats is dope.
Yeah, seats are comfortable. I like how comfortable the car is. That's what I really appreciate.
Sound like there's some cutouts on here, but it's not.
Yeah, and
It's the crazy part.
and look, watch. I'm gonna go in normal mode just so you see how so you want to turn it right, just chill, like coast, just be like this, normal mode, just whatever. Mad relax.
Chill.
Exhaust goes down, ride gets softer, you Gucci, and then you put up to my mode where I have my mode up.
My mode is what?
My mode, I got it all set up for the track and all that stuff, and like I said, I don't have much room here. This paddle, I hold the paddle down, it puts me in the right gear. I'm ready to roll race.
Ready to race.
See? That's it. So it's like docile to crazy, and then if I want to just chill, like I said,
My man over here giving me whiplash.
yeah, I'm just doing it on purpose. Sorry.
You almost
This
messed up my face.
I know, right? Yo, man, I appreciate you. Check out
No doubt,
Dave
yo.
Cruz. Instagram down below. Get your cut. He got me looking right.
Dude.
Appreciate you. Peace.